Oh fuck that. Oh. The traffic was stopped.
He's dead.
And he because here's the thing is we didn't hear any brakes. We didn't hear screeching. We didn't hear the tires. Careful. Oh, look at that cop go in, man.
What the hell are they gonna do? Like, they're crisp. The guy died instantly, of course.
All I heard was a big bang. And no tire screeching.
Take a video this way, up top of your head. Just for a second.
I already did. Because it's not, he must have, either maybe he fell asleep or something. Yeah, but there was no brakes. There was no tire screeching. You'd hear, but instead all we heard was a big bang. Look at that. Right onto this side of the highway. They're probably trying to make their way. I think those are the tires popping. Yeah, he's dead. There's no way. Going at 65, 75 miles an hour and hitting the back of a truck like that.
Probably the one in front of him hit the other one.
Yeah, yes. That's exactly what happened. It's already halfway back to the trailer. Yeah. The fire's growing. The diesel's spreading, I think, or something. I think so. knows what he's carrying too? There could be flammable things inside that trailer.
That's what I was wondering. So
You know what? That
the truck's coming through it.
yeah.
Tell us looking at it. The trucks are very good.
Feel the heat.
It's getting dangerous for them too.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know. I'm surprised they're letting them dig in towards this side too. Right?
Yeah. Look how high the flames are.
Blackened it down.
Look how high those flames are. There's the tire, see? Just popped off.
Look, I can even see now, sweetie. Look at this.
Yeah, you know what? Now that it's come back to the back tires, we should move. Because